And this is our final coco choir. O, diba? How do you spell choir? Choir or choir? No, it should be choir. Sorry, coco choir. Okay? How do you spell choir? Basta. Pinong niyog. Hello there you guys, welcome to this another video. In this video episode, we're going to teach you how to create this planting material. Ito po yung ginagamit natin sa ating dish gardening project. Paano ba ito gawin? Do we just have to put all the soil in here? The thing is, no, because all our plants need some or lots of consideration. So we are going to create this in this video. If you love greens, cactus, succulents, and more, welcome to this video. This is the Green-Minded Project. So ang unang-una natin gagawin ay syempre i-prepare natin ang ating what do you call the planting material here using our plastic recyclable basin. So ginawa ko po kanina, what I did was I put some holes in here. Look at that, I put some holes. Okay, so we were done putting holes underneath our basin, our plastic basin. And as you can see, I have put here, I have holed large ones so that we can promote aeration and proper drainage of water. Our materials, we have soil mixture, we have charcoal, we have coconut husk chunk, and of course our coco coir. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're going to arrange here. Hindi po yun siya basta-basta lamang naglalagay ka ng lupa.
Why?
Why? Because we have a lot of things to consider when we do a dish garden. Dapat kompleto yung aeration, yung hangin, at saka hindi dapat siya masyadong nag-hold ng water. So we will be using this charcoal chunks here. Make sure na hindi sila masyadong malaki at hindi rin sila masyadong maliit. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna layer them like this. Cover them surely. And finally, this is our final charcoal. Look at this one. Ayan, so medyo level na po siya. Hindi dapat siya talagang covered, okay? So the charcoal has the capacity to hold some bacteria para hindi siya madrain doon sa ating mga holes. Alright, this is our first level. And then we go to our second level, which is, we will be using our coconut husk chunks.
Okay, so here we go, our second level using our coconut husk chunks.
So this is our third material, and I call this coco choir because this is how you call them. It's coco choir. Now ilalagay po natin ito, this is our third level. Bakit tayo naglalagay ng coco husk chunk? Why do we put that? Because we promote aeration. Remember, air should come in. And at the same time, since my spaces, water can continuously flow right away. At the same time, these chunks has the capacity to hold just enough water for our plants sa taas. Kaya nga hindi masyadong dinidiligan because we just have enough water for them. Okay? So now maglalagay na tayo. We're gonna put this coco choir like that. You know what? Para lang kayong gumagawa ng mango float, 'di ba? Yung hello like this, something like that. Oh, 'di ba? Ito. Look at that. Very easy. You can make this with your family, with your kids at home. Yan. Look at that. And for our final level, we will be putting now our soil mixture. Look at this one. Our soil mixture is composed of different things. So, gagawa tayo ng video nito para sa inyong lahat. Hindi basta-basta soil lamang po, because our plants need enough nutrients and some aspects for consideration. Now, what we do here is that hindi natin siya pupunuin kasi mamaya malalaman natin kung bakit. Alright? When we transfer our plants, pwedeng konti-konti lang pagdagdag ng lupa. Kasi nga, this is a science combined with an art. Diba? That's why dish gardening is an art and science. Wow. There you go. I have a question. Can you use of stones instead of charcoal? Definitely yes. You can use stones instead of charcoal. Mas madaling hanapin yun, mas safe, mas makatulong sa environment. But the thing is, nagsaslide kasi siya, hindi siya makaka-hold ng water. 'Di ba? And also, another factor is that kung gusto mong ilipat yung dish garden mo, tingnan mo, sobrang gaan lang. 'Di ba? Sobrang light lang. Kasi pag bato yan, gaganon ka, oh. Gaganon ka ng Di ba? And there you have it, loves. Look at this one. We were able to create our planting materials. So iba-iba pala yung level niya. Remember, a mango float or a dessert wherein you layer first ingredient, then the second ingredient, the third one. This is how you, of course, do your plants. Because if you love your food, you better love your plants as well by providing them this mixture. As you can see, hindi natin siya pinuno because we're going to put a plant in here. And then we will just cover it later with some of the salts. Okay? So, you can now create your own. Please comment down below and we'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe, click that bell button inside and select all for more of our videos. Thank you for watching. Until then, loves, see you. Bye.